Good morning, everybody. This video is going to show you what happens when you put a cap across the pickup coils. The pickup coils are 12 of them in series, and there's 4 sets of those. And I'm using my best results were with this capacitor here, a group of 3, which gave me 0.42 microfarads across the coil, and this drawing here shows with no cap at all, and that's the pickup coil energy that's being the 300 turns from the 150 turns power coil is now I'm on 20 volts per centimeter. So you can see what's interesting is when the motor fires, it's at the peaks on the positive, and there's a ringing event that occurs just after, and this is what happens when you put a cap across the coil. And I'm not using diodes or anything, just a cap, and this is 1 microfarad right here. That's the result from that. Everything's the same on the scope, 20 volts per centimeter and 5 milliseconds on the time. This is 0.014 microfarads. Now you can see the intensity of the frequencies increased, and this is 0.028. Now we're starting to fill in the gap. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to fill in this gap with as much ringing event as possible, and between the firings. And this is the best I could get. Was like you can see, it's almost a wall of energy there, and it's 0.042 microfarad. There's 12 coils in series and the cap going across them, and it's the 300 turns 26 gauge. And you can see on each the scope picks up some of it doesn't get it, so now I can blow this out some and show you what's going on. This is the ringing event that's occurring, and it's almost a wash between the pulses of almost 20 38 volt swing here going on, and you can see the frequency of this is running at it's 0.6 centimeters at 250 microseconds per centimeter, so it gives me about 6.66 kilohertz. And now I can tune to that stuff and whatever, and so that's where we are right now. Next step is going to be putting some diodes in there and storing the energy, and then pumping it back to the batteries. When the positive battery is used to run the power coils, the negative caps will be dumped into the negative battery, and vice versa. Have a good day. Thanks.